Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll talk about the difference between the subscriptions and ElevenLabs. And we've got a gift for you guys at the end of the video, so make sure to watch the entire video. So let's get started. So we've got the free, which has 10,000 credits included with some feature right here. And then we have the starter, which is $5 per month, which has 30k credit. And you've got the creator, and they had like an offer which is 50% off, which is $11 per month, that has 100k credits included. And the pro is obviously 99 per month, and you get 500k included with some more features. And if you don't want to buy it immediately, I have a link for you in the description for a free ElevenLabs trial, so make sure to check it out. And yeah, that was the video for today. I hope this helps you, and see you in the next one. Cheers.